in the world. I'm gonna conquer the world. One corn cob at a time. You wanna throw that away from me? Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're gonna be making some barbecue chicken nachos. So I took the corn off of the cob, and now I'm just crushing it up in my hands and setting it aside on this plate. This was some leftover barbecue chicken that we did Sunday night, so I'm just going to pull all the meat off of the bones. We did have drumsticks and thighs. My husband's going to come in and he's going to chop up all the meat, get it nice and fine for the nachos. He's going to put this aside until we're ready to build. The next thing I want to do is chop up a little bit of red onion. I'm only going to put red onion on half of the nachos because not everyone is a fan. Now I'm going to put the actual tortilla chips down on a foil-lined baking dish, and I want to get those toasted up. I'm going to toast it for 1 minute at 350. Now that those are nice and toasted, I'm going to go in with a layer of the chicken first. Now I'm going to go in with that corn that I had chopped off the cob and squished up in my hands, got it all broken up and ready for me. Next, a layer of red onion, only on half. This was some leftover baked beans that we had from the barbecue that we had on Sunday, so I decided to put that on top of the corn and onion. Now we have some queso cheese, some white cheese, and we heated it up in a bowl, and I'm just going to drizzle this all over the nachos. Now we're going to go in with some cotija cheese, and we're going to crumble that over top and bake it off. Into the toaster oven it goes for 350 for about 2 minutes. Now the final layer, we have this barbecue sauce that we picked up from Aldi. I believe it is the knockoff version of Sweet Baby Ray's. And this is how they turned out. This was so delicious. We were literally just standing in the kitchen picking off of these nachos.
Scare video? When people get scared. Oh yeah, those are awesome. Every time I watch it, I get scared. I was like, oh, that's a new way. Oh, that's another way. Oh, that's another way.
Rude.
Friends, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Good.